I have found an alternative to help you build your credit. Borrowwell has launched a new service on their website to build your credit, and it only costs $10 a month. It will help you achieve your financial goals, and there's no hard credit checks. That's amazing, because if you're trying to build your credit, you don't want to be taking hard hits, because then that's kind of like going against the grain, right? And you can cancel at any time without any penalties. However, if you do cancel, then you're literally stopping your payment history from rebuilding. So the program is literally a credit builder for you, or a credit history builder, to put it in better terms, right? So it only costs $10 a month. However, $5 goes to the program fee, and then $5 gets saved for you. And then at the end of the term, you get back some of your money. So the program lasts for 3 years. So after 24 months, you're not charged the program fee of $5 anymore. And you can continue the program for 1 more year of $10 a month. So at the end of the 3 years, you'll get back $240. That's pretty good. Look at it in terms of a savings account that is being reported to the credit bureau as a payment. So now you're having payment history being built up for you. It's pretty simple how to set it up. You just sign up for an account. Every month, they'll take $10 out of your account. They're reported to Equifax and TransUnion, which is really good because not everybody reports to both credit bureaus. So this works in your favor because 2 credit bureaus are being reported and you only have to pay $10 for it. And each time you make a payment, the history gets recorded, which is really good because now when you do want to go for another type of loan, say a line of credit, a mortgage, or even a car loan, you'll get a lower interest rate because now you have payment history showing that, like, hey, okay, they're a responsible person, they'll make the payment back to us. Keep in mind, if you do default or miss a payment, guess what? They're going to report it to the credit bureau as well. So you want to make sure you have at least $10 in your account to cover this fee. So how it gets reported as a secured installment loan, which is pretty good. Because if you don't have anything, or you have maybe one other account, it also helps the mixed use part of your credit score, which counts for about 10%. There's also no sign-up fee and no cancellation fee. And you don't get charged any interest, which is good. So it's literally, you just pay for the program, $5 for 24 months, unless you cancel before that. But again, don't cancel because you're trying to build your credit here. And then after that, if you decide to cancel before or when the date is done, then you just get back some of your money and you've built up your credit. Borrowwell has some amazing features that you can also utilize as well. To sign up for Borrowwell is free. You get a free credit report and it updates your score every week. The rent advantage. So what rent advantage is, if you are paying rent and you want that reported on your credit bureau, this is for Canadians only, by the way, then you can get them to report onto the credit bureau for you as well. That's a $5 fee. That's not bad. Again, if you're trying to build your credit and you want to get out of renting and move on to owning, then this is something that you definitely want to use. Also, they have the credit builders, which we just talked about. It lets you know which are the best credit cards for you to apply for, personal loans, mortgages, and also car loans. That's amazing. A lot of us don't like to go into the dealership thinking like, oh, will I get approved or not? It's like you can get approved before even going to the dealership and be like, hey, I got approved for this, give me this car. I would definitely recommend you to sign up for the Borrowwell free account. I've linked below my referral code for you to use to sign up for a free account. Also, I've linked a video above for you to watch next. Once you have your credit in good standing, how to increase your credit limit in 90 days. And don't forget to download my credit DIY guide to help you on your credit journey, whether it's to rebuild, maintain, or utilize your credit.